Welcome back to China Price Watch, where we're looking at price wars and promotions by China's largest e-commerce retailers. Earlier this fall, China's online shopping world caught fire with the highly public declaration of a price war between China's largest electronics retailers, Suning, Guomei, and 360buy. The companies made outlandish pledges about undercutting each other on all appliances and about selling goods at cost with zero profits for the next year. Hype like that attracted media and consumer attention, but on closer inspection, things began to smell fishy. Consumers reported that the sites had actually collectively raised prices in anticipation of the price war, meaning the allegedly at-cost goods were actually bringing in decent profits. The fallout led to an investigation by the country's top economic planner, the National Development and Reform Commission. Though the group kept its investigation under wraps, China Business Web reported in September that the NDRC had ordered several firms to conduct a thorough self-examination and rectification for price gouging and price fraud. Slap on the wrist punishment aside, the word was out that some of China's largest e-commerce sites were bending the truth, if not outright colluding in price fraud. So despite the flood of purchases on Singles' Day, many consumers and media outlets remained skeptical. The following morning, EastDay.com was already reporting that many sites had raised prices in advance of the so-called discounts. A Dell computer selling on Amazon China was priced at $745 on the night of the 10th, just hours before the promotions began. By the early morning hours of the 11th, however, the price had jumped $20 to $767. When the computer allegedly went on sale later that day, the price was $757, still above the original price. A Casio camera from 360buy.com had even greater swings. In the hours before the promotion, its price suddenly jumped $240. When it came time for the sales, the camera received a huge discount of exactly $240. Despite the recent exposés of this kind of tomfoolery, both e-commerce companies and consumers still seem to be basking in each new promotion. Shui-Fu Liang of Tianjin University of Finance and Economics told Xinhua that the nature of the industry has pushed it toward this series of price wars. Given the uniformity of service offered by the retailers, online shoppers are extremely price sensitive. This transforms the struggle for market share into a test of the capital backing of the firm. Those with financial resources to bear sustained losses might just be the last one standing. This picture of the industry may prove accurate, but it also assumes the promotions are in fact harmful to a company's bottom line. That assumption has been thrown into doubt by the accusations of collusion and price fraud. With so much at stake, many of the country's top retailers appear to be willing to play any card to get ahead. But amidst the hype, one firm has so far managed to steer clear of accusations of this kind of price fraud. Alibaba's Tmall.com, by far the most successful site of the bunch. Don't go away, because up next we get Beijingers' take on the price wars and e-commerce retailing. Stay tuned.